Well, we were approached by Community Music Wales to work with students and introduce them to the concept of binary music, with the idea that they could use this in their own compositions.
It was really important for Community Music Wales to celebrate the 400th year anniversary of Robert Ap Huw's manuscript, because it is one of the most important sources of traditional Welsh music, and that has had an impact on kind of music throughout the centuries.
It was just really fun because it was just how old and original the music is, and that we've actually got an opportunity to kind of do what we want with it, and how it's kind of gone well. So it's all good.
This manuscript is important because without this manuscript we would have no idea that there was a completely different kind of music that was played in Wales up till the early modern period, up till about 1600.
The young people first of all watched a performance by Bragod where they performed Robert Ap Huw's manuscript in its traditional form, using traditional instruments. So it was the first time many of the young people had ever actually seen the cwrdd and the lyre being performed, and they certainly hadn't heard of Robert Ap Huw's music before. So we started the project with them learning about it and seeing the performance.
The appeal for Adam to take this into colleges was the whole idea of this language of ones and those, and the fact that the students in the colleges are playing with that every day without even thinking about it. And in early medieval times, up to the 16th century, people were also doing that, and particularly not just all over Europe, but particularly here in Wales. This type of music he realised it was coming to an end. It's as if one of you realises hip-hop is coming to an end and you're going to write down stuff so people in the future will know what it's like.
So we did a lot of work with those young people to learn about the manuscript, learn how to play the manuscript, which was written in binary code.
I think some of the questions were very good, and some people we could see got it. They got the whole thing at its first exposition.
My favourite part of the project was getting people physical, getting them up off their bums and dancing to the ones and those. Now let us invade you. Lovely.
Hello, I'm Jack and this is Archie. Say hello, Archie.
Hello.
And we are music tech students at Cardiff and Vale College.
Yeah, I found the project really useful.
I can go away now with new influences, new music, because I mean, as musicians we're always looking for new ideas or inspirations to put in our music to make it different and unique. It's just all about being able to make the music that I want to do unique and different, so that's probably the best thing I've learned about this today.
I think it's quite good to bring something different to the table. We can develop our skills if we're doing something different every time, and sort of directing it in the genre that we want to do and bringing out the styles that we would like in our music. So it sort of brings out the personality in your own music.
So the young people sampled some of the music, and they also wrote new music using the binary code, and they created a kind of plethora of all different tunes.